Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanif Iksan Al-Hafid from Sanggabuana, Bandung University. Here I will present an international journal entitled Decision Support System for Head of Warehouse Selection Recommendation Using Analytic Hierarchy Process Method from Nur Kumala Dewi and Arman Sahputra in STMIK Muhammadiyah Jakarta, STMIK Instan Pengembangan. Introduction. In making a decision, it is indeed very difficult because it must be based on something that can support making the right decision that is needed in a company, because if the wrong decision is made, the course of the company will be very dangerous and can make the company go bankrupt. Therefore, making decision for be made. Dewi and Putra 2020. Using something very important, such as advice from the leader, and some people who have an interest in making decisions. For example, managers with the advice from the leader. The selection to determine the selection of the head of the warehouse will be very precise and assisted by AHP. Algorithm will be even for maximal. Dewi and Putra 2020. Research method. In this section, will be discussed how is research took place and what method were used in research from all the studies used in the study. Arman Saputra 2020. It will produce conclusion from the problem raised in this research. Literature review. Literature review. The first step in this research is to literature review by reading many journals related to this foreign research based on literature review. Subani, Ramadan, Sumanto, and Putra 2020. So, this research will be stronger because based on previews, the theory that discuss the same research will literature review, it will be able to find the latest research problem so that they can be developed conclusion. Ramadan, Kurniawan, and Putra 2020. Research problem. The second stage in this research is to find problem that can be raised. In this research will be the research problem. So this research become clear about the discussion and objective, as well as the objective to be achieved in this research will be research problem. So the methodology will adjust the research based on the problem. Opponent, in order to provide the best solution in providing research result. Putra, Harodko, Ford, Bervano, and Eddy 2018. Research. The third stage in this research is to conduct research related to the research problem raised by the research. So, the data that will be obtained will be processed to produce conclusion that can solve the research problem raised by the research. So, that data processing will be more focused and able making research unbiased reduction. Putra et al. 2018. Experiment with data. The first stage in this research is how we can process the data that has been obtained based on the points that are considered and data retrieval point with data processing. It will be able to produce the bid decision for selection the head of the warehouse with the experiment that I will be possible. It is now how the data is obtained and the cost how the data is processed so that it can take the best decision from Putra Kusuma 2018. For the last, the result, the final stake in this research to provide the best conclusion and how we can solve the research problem as in the research with the conclusion that it will be able to answer the problem using the AHP algorithm method in making decision in choosing the warehouse head in a company. Putra and Halo 2018. Analytical hierarchy process. The the AHP algorithm in an algorithm that is used to make a decision. Usually decisions are taken unilaterally or objectively. From Putra and Fatrilia 2020. Therefore, with the HHP algorithm, all decisions will be taken on the system and nothing can interfere with the decision. In a decision, it will produce something that will impact the company. For example, the decision to take the selection and the head of the warehouse. With the selection of the right warehouse head in will be able to help the company manage the warehouse so that all problems in the warehouse can be resolved quickly and optimally. Putra 2019. Based on the HIP algorithm image above, it can be concluded that the HHP algorithm draw conclusion based on predetermined variable in order to produce the best decision. Putra 2019. Method selection of warehouse head election. This selection will explain how the method of selecting the head of the warehouse using the AHP method and maximize the decision that will be taken. Based on the picture of the warehouse head selection method above, we can find out that the initial decision making comes from the HRD department because the HRD department requires people to fulfill the job as the warehouse head. The HRD provide a report to the company leadership so that the company leadership can choose who is the right candidate in the election. The head of the warehouse after the candidate are met, then the assessment is carried out by the company leader using the IHP algorithm method. After the data is processed using the Calpon algorithm, it will be concluded that using the IHP algorithm, your system will be able to maximize the system and provide the best conclusion in making the decision to elect the warehouse head. Putra 2020. Finding and discussion. In this section, we will discuss how the data is obtained and how the data is processed, the image and explaining of the AHP algorithm in selection. The head of a warehouse in a company will be explaining the image and explaining them below. Based on the picture above, it can be seen that in the selection of the head of warehouse in a company, the decisions are made by five people who are in a company. The first is general manager, the second is the president director, the third is the finance manager, the fourth is the marketing manager, and the fifth is the HR manager. The fifth person, this leader will take an assessment that will produce a decision that will be processed by an algorithm method called AHP so that he can determine who is the right person in determine the selection of the head of the warehouse. Data processing. Table 1, decision maker table. Based on the table above, we can note that there are five assessors. The first is the president, second is general manager, the third is a financial manager, the fourth is the marketing manager, the fifth is the HR manager. There five people are decision maker, as which consists of performing royalty, pre-web submission, warehouse mastery, which will code W1, W2, W3, W4, and W5. Table 2, parameter rating table. Based on the table above, the parameter rating based on the performance, loyalty, leadership, warehouse submission, and warehouse mastery will give a number between 10 to 100 with the code W1 to W5. Table 3, decision assessment table. Based on the decision making table above, an explaining will be given as follow. The decision will be given a value between 1 to 500 and will be given a value for A, B, C, D, and E. Decisions are taken based on value and number that meet the qualification requirement. Will those who are not selected have a side value, and those who are selection will have a value A and B. Table 4, prospective warehouse head table. Based on the table above, the result of the selection of prospective warehouse head candidate are given by the HRD to the leadership. The five names of these candidates can be seen in the table above. Table 5, Table of assessment result of prospective warehouse head. Based on the table above, the prospective warehouse head will be rated by the appraisers, and the result of the value can be seen in the table above and will be totaled so as the product maximum point that will be able to determine whether the candidate is elected or not. Table 6. Table of assessment result of prospective warehouse head. Based on the table above, it will be known the total value that has been obtained, and it can be known what decision were taken by the assessment team. So based on the result of the table above, number 4, Santos Risyanto with a value of 428 with a value was cast as the head of the warehouse based on the assessment made by assessment team based on the part that has been designed. Table 7. Test parameter table. Based on the test table above, we can find for out that the process from input to output has been tested, and for this maximum result, so the decision is that all parameters that have been tested are okay and can produce the best result in processing data for decision making in selection the head of a warehouse in a warehouse company. Be programmed by making application, so in decision making it only remains to fill in the application by the leader appointed by the HRD in making a decision in choosing employees who are considered important. Conclusion: the use of the HIP algorithm method is decision making in selection the head of a warehouse in a company is perfect because by using the IHP algorithm method, decision making can be done without any objectivity and individuality. Therefore, decisions are taken through a diplomatic system using the IHP algorithm method. Selection the head of the warehouse is very good because it is chosen based on the best decision because it use the IHP algorithm method. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.